In the shadow of stars, a crescent rose bright, carved through struggle, bathed in right, a dream once dreamt by hearts so true, became a land in green and hue. With Jinnah's voice, and Iqbal's rhyme, echoed hope across the time, from fields of Punjab to Sindh's wide sand, freedom was born in this sacred land. Blood and tears, the price we paid, yet firm we stood, unafraid, for every soul that laid its name, etched in history, bound by flame. O Pakistan, our pride, our song, to you this heart shall always belong, your winds, your soil, your mountain calls, we rise again, if ever we fall. Let peace be our path, and truth our guide, in unity and faith, we shall reside, O flag of green, forever fly high. A symbol of dreams that will never die.